Okay guys, so I had a slight headlight issue where passenger headlight would not come on. At first it was coming on intermittently. It was working some of the time, was not rest of the time. So I did a little poking around and I found that, see here, you guys can see that it is working now. Good, hooray. Problem solved. Side markers kicking on over here and everything. We had a spade plug. You can see the red one there. I think past the, there it goes, looks a little more focused now. The ground for the spade plug had just separated from the wire. So I am zip tying that fella back in place so that it cannot move around and wiggle around. Hopefully that won't happen to me again. It had actually just stopped coming on at all. Shoot, it was the day after I brought the car home. It had been working intermittently because the switch is a little funky in here. Either it needs cleaning up or the replacing, one or the other. I'll probably take it out and try cleaning it before I replace it, but the switch was a little funky, and you got to wiggle it a tiny bit in order for it to make good contact and then everything come on. We got our tails on now. Well, you can see that in the daytime back here, but it's got we got the tail lights on now. So we got working lights properly all around now, which is fantastic. Because I didn't want to be running around with one headlight, as Jacob Dylan would say, with the good old wallflowers. Anyway, now that I've scared you with terrible singing, I'll close down my video here. But yay, I'm problem solving. My other thing I'm up to today, flip this light around, blind us all, especially me. Come on, there we go. Set it over here. My main thing today was getting this flex fuel sensor in here. It's got a pretty good bend to my line, which I don't really like. I'd like to have another hard line with the 90, because that's basically turned this into a 90, and if I swapped it backwards, which I've tried to, it does essentially the same thing over here. So I'm not sure which way I'm going to leave it for right now for the tuning. I just want to make sure I'm not, starving one side's fuel rail of enough fuel. But anyway, that's what I'm up to today, and I got my plug over here to run to the flex fuel sensor. So we'll hook all that up, and I'll be ready to go for dyno tuning tomorrow. So expect some videos from the dyno, and we'll see what she ends up doing with pump gas. We'll pick up some 93 octane or 91, whatever I can get a hold of, high test premium, and get her ready to go to the dyno tomorrow. So that'll be fun. So expect some more videos coming up. Stoked my headlight situation's remedied. That was an easy fix. I thought it'd be something simple, and it was simpler than I even thought it would be. So yay. I'll just work on that switch and see if I can sort that out. All right, hope you guys are having a good one.